The Toyota 4Runner key fob from 2010 to 2020 models can be easily opened to replace the battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Locate the small slot or seam on the side of the fob. Gently pry the two halves apart, applying even pressure to release the internal clips. If the case is stuck, especially in humid climates, apply gentle heat from a hairdryer to loosen any adhesive. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Once open, you'll see the battery compartment. The Toyota 4Runner key fob uses a CR232 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Remove the old battery, noting the polarity with the positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the correct orientation. Snap the two halves of the fob back together, ensuring they're securely closed. If the remote still isn't working after the battery replacement, try cleaning the battery contacts with isopropyl alcohol. If that doesn't work, the fob may need reprogramming. To reprogram, cycle the ignition 8 times on-off within 10 seconds, then press any button on the fob to sync it. If issues persist, consult a professional.